Hi guys, I thought we could talk about trees. So we know, here's a young tree, that this tree down here in the ground, kept warm and safe by all of this dirt and this big blanket of leaves, has what? Roots. That's right. Now, we know that the tree has the roots, and the roots act like a big straw and they suck up the water. And they give the tree a drink. And what's the other thing that plants need if they're going to be healthy? The sun. That's right. So plants, trees especially, need two things to be healthy. They need water and sunlight. Have you ever wondered why? Well, I'll tell you. It has to do with these leaves. Trees take in the sunlight in through their leaves, and the roots sip the water up through the trunk and bring the water to the leaves. Because in the leaves, there's something very special. It's a big word, are you ready? Chlorophyll. Can you say chlorophyll? Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is why the leaves are green. Now, the chlorophyll helps the tree do something very exciting. I'll tell you while we walk over to my porch. The chlorophyll helps the tree work and do what's called photosynthesis. Can you say that big word? Photosynthesis? Now, photosynthesis is what trees and really all plants use to make food. They take in sunlight and they take in water and they take in air called carbon dioxide, what we breathe out of our bodies, and they mix it all together and they make chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is what the tree keeps in its leaves. Chlorophyll is green. That is why the tree's leaves are green. If chlorophyll was purple, trees would have purple leaves. If chlorophyll was orange, trees would be orange. Now, chlorophyll is green, and that's why this leaf is green. And I'm going to show you a cool experiment where you can see the chlorophyll for yourself. And the chlorophyll is what the tree eats to get healthy. And it's kept in the leaves. That's why the leaves are so important. So, it's in this leaf. So I am going to rip the leaf. And then I'm going to rub it on this piece of paper. And do you see where the green is coming out of the leaf onto the paper? That is the chlorophyll. Now, the tree that let me use this leaf has lots and lots of leaves, so it's not going to go hungry. But you don't want to do this experiment on a tree that doesn't have a lot of leaves or just has baby leaves, because it's going to need those to eat. So, I am making my picture using chlorophyll, which is green, and the tree makes the chlorophyll using water, that's good, and sunlight, and carbon dioxide. And let's see, can you see here in the leaf? I can't really either see into the leaf. But that is where the chlorophyll is kept. Here. I'll get a few more good chlorophyll swipes. So, in the fall, when the leaves turn colors, that's because there's no more chlorophyll in the leaves. So they're not green. They're turning other colors. And then, when the trees start to bloom again in the spring and the summer, that's why they turn green again. Now let's take our chlorophyll picture into the sunlight so we can see it a little bit better. Do you see? There on the paper, that is what trees eat. Now you can do this too. Get a white sheet of paper and go and find a tree with lots of healthy green leaves. And ask the tree if you can take one of its leaves to do a science experiment with. As long as it's healthy, I'm sure it won't mind. And now you know how plants eat. So the big words to take away are chlorophyll, which is this green food for trees inside of the leaves, and photosynthesis, which is the big fancy process through which trees make their own food. Really, all plants do it. You can find chlorophyll in the leaves of some flowers also. So experiment, have fun, and let me know what you discover.